Hello friends, எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம் and welcome to my channel. This video give the explanation and example of funds flow analysis in management accounting. This video exhibit that meaning of funds flow statement, distinction between funds flow statement and balance sheet, sources of fund and applications of fund, specimen of fund flow statements, and we have to preparation of funds flow statement. Fund flow statement. The funds flow statement is a report on the movement of funds or working capital. It explains how working capital is raised and used during an accounting period. We know that every basic financial statements prepared by the business concern are income statement and balance sheet. Then the fund flow analysis is a tool of financial statements analysis which is concerned with the preparation of fund flow statement. The fund flow statement is a statement showing or reporting what movement of funds or how it is changes or movement of working capital. It is also explanations the statement showing different sources and application of funds during the given period and the net effect, that is the net increase or decrease of the fund. It is the fund flow statement. Then definition: a statement of sources and application of funds is a technical device designed to analyze the changes in the financial condition of a business enterprise between two dates. This definition given by FERC, it means the statement of sources and applications of fund, it is designed to analyze the what financial conditions will be changed. It is the preparation of the fund flow statement. Then fund flow statement is composed of two categories of items. The fund flow statement, it is divided by two categories. One is sources of fund and another one is applications or uses of funds. It is necessary to ascertain them in order to prepare fund flow statement. The transaction analysis or identification of transaction which cause flow of funds is the basis on which different sources and applications of funds are identified. These items such as sources and application or uses of fund is the flow of funds is different sources and application of funds are identified. This is the fund flow statement. What are the sources of fund identified in every business concern? These are the sources of fund available in every business concern. It is internal sources and another one is external sources. Internal sources is the funds from operations. What are the process will be move on the business? It is the funds from operations. Then second one is external sources. Issue of equity shares, issue of preference shares, issue of debentures, public deposits accepted, long-term loans from banks and other institutions, sale of fixed assets, sale of long-term investments. These are the incoming or the sources available of the business concerns. These are the applications or uses of funds in the every business concern. It is purchase of fixed assets, purchase of long-term investments, redemption of preference shares, redemption of debentures, prepayment of long-term loan, bank loans and public deposits, payment of dividend, payment of tax liability, outflow of funds on account of operations. These are the applications or uses of the business concern. This is the expenses or repayment of the business concern. So these are the applications or uses of funds. These are the distinction between fund flow statement and balance sheet. Fund flow statement, it shows changes in working capital between two balance sheet dates. So, how to prepare the schedule of changes in working capital and fund flow statement? It is the net increase or decrease between two balance sheet dates. So, previous year and current year, two balance sheet ki difference we have to taken for the working capital or fund flow statement. But balance sheet, it shows the position of assets and liabilities on a specific date. We already know that what is the purpose of the preparation of balance sheet. It is know about position of the business. So what are the liabilities will be arised from this business, what is the how it is going on the assets available in the every business concern. It is the balance sheet. Then it shows only those items which cause changes in working capital. The fund flow statement, it is the only given the changes between the previous year and current year. But the balance sheet, it shows the real and personal accounts of a business reflected in the assets and liabilities. So, trading and profit and loss account is the related to nominal accounts. Then balance sheet, it is reflect from this real and personal account. Then third one is it aims at presenting flow of funds over a period. So in the given accounting period, what the position of our flow of funds will be move on. It is know about the fund flow statement. It aims at depicting the financial position of a business. Financial position of a business is depicting by the balance sheet. Next one is it is a tool for financial analysis, generally useful to the management. It is the helpful provided to the management. Then it is the culmination of the accounting process of a period. It is meant for general purpose. It is balance sheet is used for all the activities by the business concern. It is the debiting for the assets and liabilities value. Then it is based on the data forming part of income statement and the balance sheet. Then the fund flow statement, it is the one of the statement required for useful for income statement and balance sheet. But the balance sheet, it is based on the trial balance and additional information relating to the firm. So the balance sheet will be preparation on the basis of the trial balance. What is the trial balance? Given the items is transferred to balance sheet. Next one is it is prepared after the financial accounts are completed. After the financial accounts, financial account means trading and profit and loss account, and another one is balance sheet. When it is completed, the next is the what is the changes will be going on in previous year and current year. It is exhibit the fund flow statement. Then it is prepared after the income statement is completed. Then the balance sheet is preparation before the completion of trial balance. So these are the difference between fund flow statement and balance sheet. This is the specimen of a fund flow statement. This is difference between two balance sheet date. We have to find out the fund flow statement. Sources of application, sources of funds and applications of fund. Sources of fund is the available sources of the business. Issue of shares, issue of debentures, issue of bonds, long-term borrowing, sale of fixed assets. Then application of fund is the business uses of fund. So redemption of preference shares, redemption of debentures, repayment of long-term loan, purchase of fixed assets, payment of dividend, payment of interim dividend, payment of tax. Then the next item will move on funds from operations. It means the operating profit. In case we have to receive operating loss, the application of fund side is the input the funds lost in operations. Then total application and total sources and total applications. Next item will given the decrease in working capital or increase in working capital. So as it is balance sheet totals, when it is tallied or completed, same like as fund flow statement will be tally on debit side and credit side. This is the format of fund flow statement. This is the example of simple fund flow statement. In this problem, from the following balance sheet, prepare a statement showing flow of funds. We have to preparation of fund flow statement. The balance sheet are given in this problem. Share capital 2009, 2010, then 2 lakh, 2,50,000. We have to only taken about difference between 2 dates. Okay, then retained earnings 10,000, 23,000, creditors 70,000, 45,000. Then assets side, land 50,000, 66,000, stock 80,000, 90,000, debtors 1,20,000, 1,15,000, cash 30,000, 47,000. So these are the problems we have to prepare the fund flow statement. When we have to preparation of fund flow statement, the first step is find out the schedule of changes in working capital. Then second one is we have to preparation of funds from operations. Third one is we have to prepare the funds flow statements. So the first step is the find out schedule of changes in working capital. Working capital, how it is changes for the working capital in this business. Then current assets and current liability. Then current assets, stock, debtors, cash. These are the given in this problem. So 80,000, 90,000, 10,000 will be increased. So changes in working capital, increase, decrease column we have to provide it. Then 10,000 is increased. Next one is debtors 1,20,000, 1,15,000. So 5% will be decreased. So decreased column we have to put on rupees 5,000. Cash 30,000, 47,000. So 17,000 will be increased. So total assets A 2,30,000, 2,52,000. Current liabilities, creditors only they given this problem. So 70,000, 45,000, 45,000. So 25,000 will be decreased. So the sources of fund is increased. So 25,000 will be increased column. Total liabilities. So net working capital equal total assets minus total current liabilities. So minus this, the problem is 1,60,000, 2,07,000. So these are the divided by given the total 5,000 is decreased. Then 52,000 is increased. So balance difference between 47,000 is decreased. So we have to given the decrease in working capital 47,000. So this is we have to find out the schedule of changes in working capital. Then I have already told that the second step is calculation of funds from operation. It is the based on adjusted profit and loss account, then opening balance, then closing balance. So any other item should not given in this problem. So balance is the balancing figure. The fund, it is the funds from operations 13,000. The last step and final step is fund flow statement. So the sources of fund, so issue of shares 2 lakh 50,000, so 50,000 in this sources. Then funds from operation balance is given in sources side. Then land, see 50,000, 66,000, 16,000 is expensive. Then application of funds. Then decrease in working capital is 47,000, so total balance is 63,000 in both the side. So this is the steps going on. We have to preparation of fund flow statement. This is the another example of we have to preparation of fund flow statement. From the following balance sheet of X Limited, you are required to prepare a schedule of changes in working capital and fund flow statements. அதாவது நிறையா ஒரு சில சம்மில் வந்து டைரெக்டாக நம்மளுக்கு கேட்பாங்க. ப்ரிப்பேர் யூ ஆர் ரெக்வயர்ட் டு ப்ரிப்பேர் த ஃபண்ட் ஃப்ளோ ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட். பட் வி ஹாவ் டு ஃபாலோ தீஸ் ஸ்டெப். ஃபஸ்ட் ஸ்டெப் இஸ் schedule of changes in working capital. Second step is the calculation of funds from operations. Any other adjustment will be given on this problem. The next third step is adjustment step. After that completion of these steps, we have to preparation of fund flow statement. Then so this problem is given the assets and capital and liabilities. So schedule of changes in working capital, we have to provide 5 columns. Particulars in the opening period, then closing period, or previous year, current year 2009 2010. Schedule of changes in working capital, increase column, decrease column. So assets will be increased, the increased column will be the some amount, then the assets will be decreased, we to put on the decreased column. Then same like as liabilities, liability will be decrease, increased column will give the some amount. Liability will be increased, decreased column used for that the credit current liabilities. Then net working capital, then a total column increased and decreased. Then balance is given the balancing figure, it is increased or decreased. So this problem is the net working capital is increased 10,000 rupees. The second step is calculation of funds from operations. It is find out the adjusted profit and loss account. So opening balance, then closing balance. Any other items will not given in this example. So balancing figure is funds from operation. It is carried to fund flow statement. The funds from operation is 10,000. Then carried forward to funds flow statement. Capital will be increased 5,000. Then mortgage loan 5,000. Plant will be increased 10,000. Increase in working capital, it is the find out from the schedule of changes in working capital. So the balance sheet total or the fund flow statement total is 20,000. Okay friends, I hope this video is helpful to you. If you are give any suggestion or comment, give in this comment box. Kindly subscribe my channel and give bell icon. Support me. Thank you.